Hi, third grade. Let's review your West social studies test. If you don't have it, run and go get it, and you can pause this. All right, starting with the map on the front, you should have in this order Montana, Wyoming, Colorado. Number 4 is Idaho. 5 is Utah. 6 is Washington. 7 is Oregon. 8 is Nevada. 9 is California. 10 is Hawaii. 11 is Alaska. Okay? If you need to repeat that, just listen to this again. All right, the word bank area, number 1 was the region. Number 2 is vegetation. Number 3, a landform is a natural feature of the Earth's surface. Number 4, a landmark is an important places or objects that can be natural or man-made. Number 5, climate. Number 6, natural resources. Okay, multiple choice. Number 7 was C, Alaska. Number 8 was B, Washington. Number 9 was D, Montana, mountain state. Number 10 was all of the above. Remember we talked about the climate in the West being so diverse because it's a big area. And we have as hot and dry as Death Valley, and then we have wet and cold in Washington state and other areas. So all of those options were correct, so that meant it had to be all of the above. It was varied, it's hot, it's dry, and it's wet and cold. So all of the above, D. Number 11 was Death Valley. Number 12 was the Pacific Ocean. Number 13 was oil. And I wonder if you also thought to yourself, what about Alaska? Because we know Alaska has a lot of oil too. Number 14 has B, Wyoming is where Yellowstone is mostly located. And number 15 was Mount Hood, the sleeping volcano. And I hope you did watch that video on Mount Hood on my social studies playlist because it was pretty cool. All right, the capitals in the states. Ready? Number 1 was F. Number 2 was K. Number 3 was A. Number 4 was I. Number 5 was B. Number 6 was G. Number 7 was H. Number 8 was E. Number 9 was C. Number 10 was J. And number 11 was D, Salt Lake City, Utah. All right, I would like you to hold on to this if you had any questions on any of these answers, and you can bring it with you when we come and meet for our Zoom meeting on Friday, and I will answer your question then, or we can go over it. If not, and you were good with all of this, you can put it in your folder, okay? Thank you, and thanks for the hard work.